Okay, let me put it this way, okay? Yes, property tax is another issue. Very interesting, okay? Mobile home by itself is not classified as real property. However, once you attach to the ground, and when you receive the certificate, you can occupy there, then you start to pay for property tax. Very interesting. However, there are two different property tax. One is for the ground. One is for the mobile home. However, under the lease agreement, no surprisingly, you will see even the ground, even the land, property tax is paid by the tenant, paid by you. So sometimes it's not worth it, you know. And the rent on the land is not cheap. And for the lot, okay, just for the lot, okay, every month, no surprisingly, you see the rent is more than $1,000 just for the ground. $1,000. Yeah, so that's another thing. Okay, you do not own the ground, but you pay for the not only for the tax but also for the insurance. You need to cover for the insurance also. So just be careful, okay, when you invest on a mobile home, even though on the face it is not that expensive. You spend under $100,000, you can buy a mobile home, and very good size. You know, probably 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Okay, probably almost like more than 1,000 square footage. Oh, by the way, another thing is very important. If you want to rent it out, the main purpose for you to invest in a mobile home is to rent it out, you also need to verify the regulation. Some of the mobile home park, they require owner occupier. Only for owner occupier. So you need to read. Of course, not too many mobile home park set up this very rigid regulation, but just be careful. Okay, if you don't read it carefully, you just found out why you cannot rent it out. You know, only for owner occupier. Just be careful. A lot of regulation. Remember, for those you come in late, we talk about the real estate for today. However, we are focused on 3 categories. Number 1, you are the tenant. You are the tenant. You rent out the real estate for your business. Number 2, you are the landlord. You rent out your real estate. Number 3, you may become the middleman. Either you are the salesperson, you are the broker, or you are the investor. Flipping, you do the flipping, you buy and then you remodeling and very quickly you resell it. Or you are the manager. Maybe you are the real estate manager. So we got about 3 categories we're gonna focus on for this topic. All right. Any other issues so far? It's okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. Still, we get a comparison. What's the major difference between real property and personal property? Okay. Say, for example, you are on the market. You want to buy. You want to invest on the real property. Okay. And anybody know in California, what kind of legal document to prove you are the owner of the real property? So if there is a sales or there is a transfer of the title, what kind of legal document we use in California to prove? Yeah, everybody. Grantee, right? Let's talk about the deed. Okay, let's talk about what's the deed. What's the deed? Let's get a review. This is almost at the beginning of this semester. I hope you still remember. Compared to personal property, if you purchase personal property, what kind of legal document prove you are the true owner? When there is a sales of the personal property, what?
The bill of sale.
Right, bill of sale. Bill. Some people say receipt. Receipt is easier to remember. Okay, bill of sale. This is the bill of sale used on the personal property. So when you go out to buy any personal property, you pay something, you are supposed to receive bill of sales. But right now we talk about real property. Okay, eventually throughout the United States, okay, when you purchase real property, okay, the document which prove you are the buyer or you are the new owner, you are the current owner, that is called deed. But we talk about so many different deeds right now, okay? Deed, okay, deed just a single piece of paper which indicate who is the seller. And in California, we use grant deed. Okay, in California. But not every state use this terminology. Okay. For example, in Arizona or in any other state, okay, majority state, they use warranty deed. More traditional way in the United States, the majority of the state use warranty deed. Okay, this is the more traditional way. But if we talk about in California, okay, in California we use grant deed. Okay, grant deed is the legal document we use in California. Let me give you one scenario.